How to set up support departments in WHMCS. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into your WHMCS admin panel. Now let's learn how to set up support departments. Click the Setup tab. Go to Support, then click Support Departments. Click Add New Department. This is where you define a new support department. When finished, click Add New Department. That's it! We've successfully added a new support department. Repeat this process for any additional departments you'd like to set up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up support departments.